Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, a channel for awesome facts and information. In today's video, we will be talking about the top 10 ways to invest $1,000 and start growing your portfolio. Watch this video till the end for a better understanding and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have $1,000 to spare, put it to good use. Want to get started investing, but don't have thousands of dollars to spare? You aren't alone. That's likely why you haven't started investing yet, or at least why you haven't diversified your portfolio. Luckily, there are plenty of ways you can start small and grow your investment portfolio over time. In this video, we'll break down how to invest $1,000 and discuss the possible yields of each method. If you have a fully funded emergency fund, and have an extra $1,000 that you don't immediately need, you have a lot of options. Unfortunately, the sheer number of investment options to choose from can be overwhelming and downright confusing. Whatever decision you make, you should be proud of yourself for taking the time to be thoughtful with your money. Here are the top 10 ways to invest $1,000 and start growing your portfolio. Number 10. Trade options. If you've got some financial knowledge and follow the markets daily, then trade options might be the next step for you. You'll want to use an online trading platform. Options trading lets you speculate on market conditions with less upfront capital. They give you leverage so that you can get more in return for only a $1,000 investment. However, your potential for financial loss is also much higher. Trade options also provide flexibility, allowing you to take advantage of changing conditions and make money, whether the market is going up or down. Number 9. Buy treasuries. It may seem like a bold move to start investing with U.S. savings bonds. However, security bonds are a reasonably safe way to invest since the securities have the government's backing. You purchase these fixed-income bonds through the government's Treasury Direct portal. These bonds can last as little as 30 days or as long as 30 years. Through the purchase of a savings bond, you're effectively loaning the government money. When you cash out on this bond, the government pays back your initial investment, plus interest. Number 8. Open a CD. As a casual investor, consider investing $1,000 in a certificate of deposit, also known as a CD. A CD typically earns higher interest than a regular savings account. You buy the CD directly from the bank, and you usually only need a minimum deposit of $1,000 to acquire a CD. The CD lasts for a fixed period anywhere from 28 days to 10 years. You can't withdraw your money during this time, though. Instead, the bank pays you a set interest rate for the duration of the CD, which will vary depending on the bank and the deposit amount. Number 7. Invest in real estate. Acquisition of real estate ranks among the most common investing practices, but what can you practically invest in with only $1,000? A lot of stuff, as it turns out. Real estate investment trusts or REITs function like stocks, and you can buy them on typical stock exchanges through a brokerage firm. There are dozens of ways you can get started investing in real estate, but the easiest is through Fundrise. Fundrise allows you to invest in a handful of different portfolios based on your initial investment amount. Fortunately, crowdfunding has kicked open the doors of the real estate market, opening them for any small-time investor. Crowdfunding real estate allows individuals to combine their investments and get paired with available real estate developers. Those dollars will be invested in a variety of commercial real estate projects with varying degrees of risk. It's really an excellent way to get started in real estate with just $1,000. Number 6. Buy one single stock. It used to be too cost-prohibitive to invest in a single stock, as stockbrokers charged hefty commissions for the purchase or sale of any shares. Recently, $0 commissions have taken hold of the investing industry, making it easier to buy just one stock or a few shares through brokers. As of this writing, $1,000 is probably not enough to buy stock in Amazon, whose share price keeps soaring in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. But it is enough to buy at least 2 shares of other stock you may be a fan of. E-Trade is one of the best options for buying individual stocks. It has one of the most advanced platforms for buying and selling stocks, as well as doing robust research on the stocks you want to buy. In addition, they've started offering $0 commission on stocks, so you'll save money when buying. Number 5. Put it into a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor might sound like something out of science fiction, but it's pretty standard these days. A robo-advisor serves as a cost-effective alternative to a wealth manager. It can help if you're a newbie investor and feel overwhelmed looking through thousands of investment options. These AI-driven advisors ask a few basic questions to determine your investment goals and weigh the risks before putting your money in a low-cost investment portfolio. They continuously revise your portfolio according to their algorithms. With $1,000, you can invest directly with a robo-advisor like Wealthfront or Betterment, giving you a few ETFs and a ton of diverse exposure to the stock market. Number 4. Stash it in a high-yield savings. As a kid, you might have stored spare change in a piggy bank and watched your savings pile up over time. The grown-up version of the piggy bank is the high-yield savings account. The average interest rate for a typical savings account is only 0.09%, which barely covers inflation. But a high-yield savings account can earn you a much higher interest, up to 20 times that same amount. So, it's a good idea to invest your money in a high-yield savings account. If you're not investing in a high-yield savings account, you're practically throwing away money. Some good options for a high-yield savings account are CIT Bank Savings Builder or Chase Savings. Both of these high-yield savings accounts give you above-average yields on your balance. Number 3. Lend to others. In the olden days, you would have to go to a bank or credit union and get approval for a loan. But peer-to-peer lending cuts out the middleman, allowing you to send a personal loan directly to someone else, and vice versa. Since these lending clubs operate online, they can save money on operating costs of traditional lending institutions like banks, passing on those savings to the borrower. So, if you invest $1,000 and get a 10% return, you will get a net profit of $100, which isn't a bad return for an hour spent on a lending platform. Number 2. Invest for retirement. It's never too early to prepare for retirement. The best way to do it is to invest in a retirement account. You may have a company-sponsored retirement account, such as a 403(b) or a 401(k). You should contribute to this account each year, especially if your employer matches your personal 401(k) contributions. Up to 50% of Americans don't have an employer-provided retirement account. If you fall into that bucket, then consider setting up an individual retirement account, IRA. Between the different IRA accounts, a Roth IRA remains the best way for millennials to save money. Number 1. Try day trading. Playing the stock market isn't for everyone. Still, many newbie investors will run to day trading when deciding how to invest $1,000. If you understand the market, you can make a decent amount of money this way. According to FINRA, most day traders, those that buy and sell stocks 4 or more times in a business week, must maintain a minimum of $25,000 in capital. However, you can still day trade with $1,000. Just make sure not to break the pattern day trader rule. If you don't buy and sell stocks more than 4 times within a 5-day business period, you're good. This is our list of the top 10 ways to invest $1,000 and start growing your portfolio. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe for more self-help videos and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching.